Okay, every time I'm making out. And then I would just like grab your boob and like make out with you.
And sway.
Don't sway.
Okay.
You just move your hand, not your body.
Okay.
And don't like.
I just like I don't know what to do. I'm swaying and I'm.
And then you go underneath and
Then I go underneath.
unhook the
Hold on.
bra.
When you go underneath, go by the side. Don't go down the front.
Okay.
Because then you'll be feeling her rolls and
Then
she
I
won't be
go
comfortable.
No, don't go down the front.
I didn't go down the
You're gonna feel
front.
her curves.
What are you talking about?
Tyler's curves.
Okay, I go down this. Go down there. Okay, and then I go
Upper
up.
shirt. No, not up the tummy. Up the side. Up the back.
This is awkward.
No, up the back, Annie.
Tyler, do you mind if I go for your shirt?
It's a boy. What does he have up there?
I make out with you.
No, you're gonna find some socks, Chica.
Can you make out with me? I go down, and then I go up.
No, not in the front.
I can't tell the difference, dude.
You can feel
Okay,
this
I
right
go down
here.
here, and then I go.
No, not up the tummy. Up the back, Annie.
Teach me. I don't know.
Annie, up the back.
I'll do it.
Annie tells me I'm a bad
You go
listener.
down the side,
Okay.
and then when you get up the shirt,
Up.
back up the side and up the ribs.
Okay, let me do it. Okay. Okay. Stop, because I'm doing it with my best friend, but I'll do it.
Yeah, but I'll do it.
And then you
Up.
go up.
Yeah. Oh,
Yep.
And then you go
Not in the front. Not in the front. In the back. You have to unhook the bra first.
See, you think
I need you to look at me.
You have to undo the back of the bra. Down the side.
on like the boob.
Up the back of the shirt. No, unhook his. You need to learn the one-handed bra unhook.
I don't know how to learn that.
You're
Okay.
a girl. You should know how to unhook a bra.
Okay. No, Tyler, look at me.
You're trying to learn how to unhook the bra.
I know how to unhook a bra. I need to do it with one hand now.
Alright, come on, practice.
Okay.
Okay, let me try.
Babe, you're right in the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just.
Yes, got it! Okay, now put it back on, Tyler. Put it back on.
You broke it back.
Oh my god, this is so entertaining.
That's my armpit.
Now, if you feel an armpit that feels anything like Tyler's, run in the other direction as quick as you can.
Okay.
It's all hairy.
They might have a foot fetish and touch your ankles, so.
Okay, ready?
That's true.
Let's do this again. Okay. I'm madly in love with you.
No, don't start with that.
Never start with that.
Don't use the L word,
Okay.
Annie.
Then.
I'm madly in love with you. Can I awkwardly rub your tip?
I'm madly in love with you. Go up my shirt, just. Ah! Be a little gentle about it, Annie.
Okay.
You think I'm crazy?
Okay, two.
Oh my god.
I can't get it. Yeah! Okay, now.
No, don't take your hand out.
Okay, so
Don't take your hand out. So, now go.
back. Just rub her back.
Come back to the boobs.
Just take her down, and then you go back to the boobs.
Well, you don't really have to go down. You can just go straight.
Just go straight across.
Okay, so I'll
Boobs
go
are right
straight
across from where you were supposed to be.
Tyler's like, yeah! I just feel the boobs and they just make out.
Yeah.
Nice!
I guess so.
So cool.